Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shrimp and grits. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 4 slices of bacon, 12 ounces of andouille sausage, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 of an onion, 1 scallion, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the grits, you'll need 1 cup of Bob's Red Mill Polenta, or commonly known as polenta grits, 4 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. If you would like the ingredient list and the written recipe, please sign up to receive my newsletter by clicking on the link in the description below. Using a sharp knife, slice the scallion and onion into small pieces. Now slice the bacon and sausage and set them aside until later. Add 4 cups of water and 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt to your pot, then using medium-high heat, bring to a boil. Now stir in the grits, then add the milk and heavy cream, then cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, then add the cheese, then set them aside until later. Using medium heat, bring a large pan to temperature, then fry your bacon until it is crispy. Remove the bacon from the pan and set aside. To the same pan, add the sausage and cook for 4 minutes. Remove the sausage from the pan and set it aside. Also, discard most of your oil, leaving about 1 tablespoon. Now saute your onions for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Add the butter and flour and mix until you have reached a nice golden color. Now pour in the seafood stock, then bring to a light simmer. Return the bacon and sausage and continue to simmer. Now add the shrimp and season with the remaining 1/4 teaspoon of salt, the black pepper, and Cajun seasoning. Continue to simmer for an additional 3 minutes, then add your scallions. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab